LG is clearly aiming high with the UltraGear 39GX950B. This isn't just another OLED gaming monitor. It's trying to redefine what high-end looks like. But whether it's actually better depends on what you care about. What it actually is, in simple terms. The LG UltraGear 39GX950B is a 39-inch ultra-wide OLED, 21:9, running 5K 2K resolution, 5120 by 2160, with dual refresh modes, 165Hz full res or 330Hz lower res. That combination, high resolution plus high refresh rate plus OLED, is what makes it stand out. What it actually does well, one of the best balanced OLED setups yet. Most OLED gaming monitors force a trade-off. High resolution means lower refresh rate, and high refresh rate means lower resolution. This one gives you both via dual mode. 5K 2K at 165Hz, AAA games, productivity, 330Hz at lower res, competitive gaming. That's a big deal. It solves a major OLED limitation. Where it falls short, one, it's expensive, around $1,800 plus at launch. That puts it firmly in enthusiast territory. 2. GPU demands are serious. 5K, 2K gaming is heavy. You'll need a high-end GPU, RTX 4080/4090 level. Otherwise, you'll rely on scaling or lower modes 3. OLED risks still exist at burn-in concerns, long-term static elements, lower brightness versus mini-LED alternatives. Not deal breakers, but still relevant. Bottom line, the LG UltraGear 39GX950B isn't just another OLED. It's one of the first monitors that genuinely balances resolution, speed, and immersion. It's not perfect, and it's definitely not cheap. But if you want a high-end, future-proof ultra-wide OLED, this is easily one of the most interesting options right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.